Okay, today we're going to be talking about Benchmade's Freek and Mini Freek series. So you have the Freek, this is the full size, and the Mini. You get this lovely thumb ramp. Everything has an access lock. The base set of the Freeks will have your CPM S30V steel and a satin blade, and they have this super grippy composite handle. Great size, great shape, with a thumb stud, really fills the hand, super comfortable because this contoured stuff, it's not only contoured, it's just a little squishy to where when you hold it, like you really feel you have a good grip in it. Both the mini and the full size have a multi-positional pocket clip, and you get into the BK. So you have the 560 BK-1, this one, and the S BK-1. And these will come in M4 steel and a coated blade. So M4 is a high carbon, so this will patina and or can rust if you really abuse it, let it get wet, etc. These have really cool red spacer and liner in there, and these come in a black and gray G10. Great looking knives, great size, great shape. Take a look at them. All the stats will be on the website. Thank you much.